Is the brainchild of one of Jamaica's top producers. Sanjay checked out the star-studded event.
It's the essence of reggae music festival. We're going back to the root tonight.
Don't give up, no matter how time rough. Guide them, Lord, without you we're lost.
Essence of reggae, what a vibe like.
Boy, mad brother, me I tell you, nice. We performed last year, and trust me, every year is an upgrade. So have a big up Frankie. Frankie, big up yourself.
It's a huge deal. In the first place, big up Frankie. I think I'm bird strong today as well. But in a Kingston, which is the mecca of dancehall and reggae, we don't have enough reggae events in Kingston. And it's Reggae Month. And them found a way out to tie it in together with the whole Reggae Month and Dennis Brown birthday and Bob Marley birthday. And it's winter, some little tourists come around and this time come from.
Hey, if you want to just wanna say, hey, killing them know all the thing go. Brand new done is simple, but a skate, show them the things you learn.
The biggest song we get the Octane gear.
Yeah. The biggest songwriter that we run the whole world, Octane says 7. Go on with it, without fear.
But really, let's step to know. No! The roll is hard. It says, it's like it. All right then. Want to make it better. Children Essence of reggae. You feel like
Black History Month, and I love how Queen Ifrika come do her thing, and you know Richie Spice, I mean they put the spice in the music, you know what I mean?
When you see black puss, you will turn back. Something nothing good never come out of black. The black was hot, I say you're too black. But my complexion, it could have never flop.
Them a worry when the Bible say, I'm looking at the mirror, they don't see me. Wanna see some signals so again, you know. For the people them and most of them love them brother from the mom. Give me some signal all on the roof. See to me love my mother. I sing about her in most of the songs there. If you don't listen good, that's why I'm going to say. Me and my God I pray, and my mother pray. From the other day, me like into myself, that one away. And then I go to say again. Sure, moment prayer gone up. Blessings are false.
Amazing, you know? It's always a joy when you step off of the stage and come into the crowd and people must say, yo, wicked.
Well, I'm promising last year, what we do all time aside. Hey, now you've been the committee, teach them how to pray. Hey. Show us the way that has been sanctified. For your place, I know who I don't know way. Teach us to praise and those who do to die. Cause in this one, I've got to be I will be everything, say last year. To start and go to get in the battle, oh yeah. Strength and protection for I and I.
One thing for sure, everybody that came out tonight felt the essence of reggae.
Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. Celebrities lining up to say hi and take a pic with Beyonce at the Grammys. What do you think? Ziggy Marley being interviewed at the Grammy Awards by Trevor Noah. Kinda cool, but I wanted more. I'm just saying. And the winner of the Mobo Award for Best Caribbean Act is Valiant. Congrats! Waves destroy sections of Pier 1 and Margaritaville in Mobay. I don't think anyone expected that. And finally holding the spot this week, Jay-Z did a Kanye West at the Grammys. He went up there and said why his wife should win Album of the Year. The man was defending his wife, period, okay? Go there, Jay-Z. Like, seriously, everybody's wondering how come she'd never win Album of the Year yet. I'm a lie, I tell. Just say it. But that's it for the Intense 5. Remember, if there's anything intense you want to see in your area, hit up our IG.